Thailand's constitutional court has cleared opposition figure Pita Limjaroenrat of violating an election law and reinstated the once prime ministerial hopeful as a lawmaker. The ruling marks a win for the Move Forward party, which has been facing fierce resistance over its plans to radically reform the country's strict royal insult laws, military and business monopolies. CNA's Saksith Saiyasombut has the details.
The Constitutional Court verdict brought in some clarity and certainty. Most of all, that Pita Limjaroenrat is allowed to return as a lawmaker in Parliament. The former leader of the opposition Move Forward party, the court has acquitted him of illegal possession of shares in the media company because, above all, the media company in question, ITV, has ceased operations. It went off the air in 2007, so way before Mr Pita even thought about entering politics. Now, obviously, Mr Pita was very delighted with the outcome. He was met with a lot of supporters outside the court and told the media that were waiting for him that he can't wait to go back in Parliament, that he would like to go back as a lawmaker as soon as possible, even though there are some legal steps that need to be taken between the court and the Parliament until he returned there. Now, let's keep in mind that this complaint was brought against him right after he and his party won the most seats in the elections last year, and when he was in the middle of forming a new government coalition. A lot of observers said that this court case has thwarted his chances to become a prime minister and lead the next government. Others say that it was just one of many reasons for his opponents not to vote and not to support the liberal progressive agenda of the Move Forward party. Now, when asked about whether or not he will also seek the leadership of the party again, because the current leader has said that he would be willing to step aside when Mr. Pita comes back, he said this.
That's not up to me. That's up to the party process, and we'll have an annual meeting in April, I believe. So we'll wait for that to come, and that depends on the members. That depends on the processes. For me, regardless of the title, I'll be able to work, and I will be able to carry my mission going forward, anyways. So it doesn't really matter much to me.
Now, even though the verdict has gone in favor of Mr. Pita, it doesn't mean that he's off the hook just yet, because next week the Constitutional Court is going to decide in another case against Mr. Pita and the entire Move Forward party. In that case, it is about whether or not the Move Forward party's campaign promise to amend the lèse majesté law, so the law that punishes criticism and insults of the monarchy with jail time, whether those calls are tantamount to overthrowing the constitutional monarchy. Now, it has to be said, though, that even if Mr. Pita and the Move Forward party are found guilty, it will not result in an immediate ban of Mr. Pita as a lawmaker or the dissolution of the Move Forward party as a political party. However, it could lead to other legal cases that will result in just that. So that goes to show that even though they have won this case, there are still many more legal challenges and political challenges for the Move Forward party and their reformist progressive agenda. Saksith Saiyasombut, CNA Bangkok.